Hello guys, success is not something that can be achieved overnight. It's required consistency, efforts, hard work and perseverance. So we are here to provide such successful story of the businessman named Chandubai Virani, who is owner and founder of Balaji Wafer. Balaji Wafer is one of the mostly famous brand among all over the India. It's attract the customer for their amazing taste, insight of the competitive products. बच्चों से लेकर बड़े बूढ़े सभी तक सबके दिल में बसा है और अपना दीवाना बना रखा है. बट डू यू नाउ द स्टोरी ऑफ दिस बालाजी वेफर? इफ नॉट, then its story will motivate you a lot. So let's start the story without wasting your precious time. The story begins at the time of 1974 at the city named Jamnagar located in Gujarat, where in small village Chandubai Virani is born. His father is farmer. They were here very poor financial condition in their family. Due to this financial crisis, they sell their land property and along with their four brothers, they started new business of selling farming equipment. But having very less experience and not having proper knowledge about the marketing skill, they fail. They weren't able to run this business properly. They have to drop down this business. इसी दौरान चंदू भाई अपने भाइयों के साथ राजकोट शिफ्ट हो गए.
So they'll be able to meet their expenses of family. And after that, he finally get job in Astronaut Cinema Canteen, where owner Govind Bhai had offered partnership. And at that, they'll start to sell chips, snacks, and sandwich along with tea. But they not get as much as profit that they desired. After a few months, they'll able to examine the real situation that mostly selling product is chips. Till that, they'll sell direct packed chips in their canteen. Then they decided to manufacture own chips and sales to the canteen and out of the canteen. And they'll started to sell their chips as Balaji name. And Chandubai went to sell chips shop to the shopkeeper, and shopkeeper is not paying timely payment, so they'll not able to get desired profit. But they'll continue their business where they faces many problems and difficulties, and they want to develop their business, but they have many problems. It's like person who make chips also not come regularly, so this they decided to make chips by themselves. And that they'll get more and more orders on the chips, and it's having a great selling of that. So they decided to get loan from the bank and decided to establish semi-automated plant in Rajkot. And up to 1996, while selling company's capacity, fully automated plant is been established and also increase more production capacity. And today Balaji Wafer is having Asia's #1 fully automated manufacturing plant and having more than 5,000 employees working, where 2,500 ladies and 700 and more distributors and 8 lakh shopkeepers. And Balaji Wafer is earned yearly up to 2,200 crores and more. So the founder of Balaji Wafers gives us an amazing successful story who never give up on their bad or difficult times. We hope you like it.